Mitsubishi Delica L400 space gear. This van has been parked for almost 4 weeks, and a week ago we had a temperature dropped down to minus 25 degrees Celsius, but it's warming up now. Last night we had only minus 8 and it's getting warmer, yeah, but still winter, and feels like minus 5 probably, but it's actually not too cold right now. And I have a vehicle plugged in, and it has been plugged in for 3 hours. Let me unplug it. Usually when it's minus 5 you don't have to plug it in, it will start pretty easy, but because the vehicle has been parked for almost a month and it was cold, I decided to plug it in to my block heater, get a diesel oil warm up. And I have 15W40 in my engine, and also when I leave it for a long period of time like this, for example for a month, I have my battery maintainer, I have a solar panel here, yeah, here we go, covered with snow, yeah, lots of snow, and hooked up to the battery. Just keep it up, and yeah, let's clean the door, and I believe she should start no problem, and usually she always does. And for diesel it's always nice to keep it plugged in if you can. If not, well, you cannot do it. Oh, door is closed. Let's open it up. Here we go. Nice and fresh, cold. Let's cycle our glow plugs. Yeah, let's crank it. Should start. Didn't take that long for glow plugs to glow. All right. Nice and easy. Yeah, she's cold. Yeah, after vehicle has been plugged in, it's always easy starts, like a summer. Nice. Well, gasoline one will start no problem because it has a spark plugs. Yeah, when it's cold, always keep your diesels plugged in and then they start no problem. Okay, make sure you have a strong battery and run a winter diesel. That way, yeah, you shouldn't have any problems. Make sure your glow plugs are functional, and we're going to clean it and get van ready to go. Yeah, beautiful. She's pulling like a kitten.